Imagine a place where time slows down, painted in bright greens and blues. This is São Tomé and Principe. Two volcanic islands, hidden in the Gulf of Guinea, are still untouched and pure. Peaks covered in mist rise from thick jungle, while the air is full of bird songs and the smell of cocoa. These islands were once the world's top cocoa producer. Their old farm estates, called rocas, are spread across the land, showing a rich history. Getting here is an adventure. Being far away keeps the island special. The local saying, "Lev lev, take it easy," asks you to relax and connect with nature. São Tomé is the bigger island. Principe, a special nature reserve, is even more private. Protecting nature is a way of life here, showing what the world can be like when nature is cared for. Visiting isn't just a vacation, it's learning about the beauty and hope of our planet. Here you step into a world where nature is in charge. Welcome to paradise. São Tomé and Principe, being far away, has created a living lab for how life changes over time. Many types of plants and animals here are found nowhere else: tiny frogs, the world's smallest ibis bird, and huge begonia flowers. With no big crowds of tourists, you'll find quiet beaches, nature-friendly places to stay, and real friendly people from São Tomé. Walk on empty golden sands, relax by yourself, and enjoy a culture that mixes African and Portuguese ways. Local music, fresh seafood, and lively markets fill daily life with color and fun. By visiting, you help a community that wants to protect nature and have tourism that doesn't harm the environment. Many places to stay protect forests and ocean life, helping local people and keeping the natural world safe. Here, you're not just a tourist, you're a welcome guest. Your visit helps protect this rare paradise. Experience travel that truly makes a difference. Discover the joy of being part of something special. This is being alone in the most beautiful way. São Tomé and Principe's history is part of its land. Once a center for sugar, enslaved people, and later cocoa, the island's old farm estates now stand as spooky ruins taken over by the jungle. In 1919, Principe was where scientist Sir Arthur Eddington proved Einstein's theory of how things move during a solar eclipse, an event still remembered today. The islands are a hotspot for many different kinds of plants and animals, home to rare birds like the São Tomé grovebeak and sea turtles that lay eggs there. Between July and October, humpback whales swim by with their babies, a magical sight. The famous Pico Cao Grande, a tall, thin volcanic peak, stands high above the rainforest, covered in mist and old stories. Its amazing look reminds us of the volcanic power that shaped these islands. Everywhere you look, there are stories of nature and new discoveries. Here the past and present mix perfectly. The islands show how strong and wonderful nature can be. Nature and history are always close by. Start your adventure on São Tomé and Principe's amazing beaches. Watch giant sea turtles lay eggs at Praia Jail or swim in the clear waters of Praia Banana. Explore the rainforest trails, waterfalls, and rare wildlife in Obo Natural Park with a local guide. The main city, São Tomé City, is charming with its old buildings and busy markets. On Principe, Santo Antonio is the world's smallest capital, perfect for slow mornings and local coffee. Visit restored farm estates like Roca São João dos Angolares for amazing food and a taste of history. Tour working farms to see how cocoa and coffee are made up close. Taste raw cocoa beans and connect with the island's farming history. Every experience is a look into the heart of the islands. Here you'll find something new around every corner. São Tomé and Principe invite you to explore, taste, and be amazed. This is a trip you'll never forget.